So good morning, no? Ngayon gusto ko pag-usapan kung bakit beneficial magtrabaho sa bahay at ano ang advantages. Kasi syempre, kami ang founders ng home-based franchising, which is now a licensing company. Pero ngayon gusto ko ipakita sa inyo ang home office namin, where I work, where I make decisions every day, where I fail and learn. So ngayon, samahan niyo ako, papakita ko sa inyo ang home office ko. Tara, pasok kayo. Welcome to my home office. So unang-una, not to flex no, or not to brag, but syempre, gusto ko ipakita lahat sa inyo yung mga achievements ko, because of What's Your Flan. So syempre, kailangan bahayan natin yan, di ba? Kailangan komportable sila, happy sila para manganak. So kung hindi nyo alam, 2006, I opened one of the biggest custom car shops in Metro Manila or in the Philippines, which is TMC, the Master of Customs. Diyan nag-umpisa ang business career ko. Sa sobrang ganda ng takbo ng business na yan, sobrang napalaki ko siya, with zero capital, talagang diyan ko masasabi na diyan na nagbago ang buhay ko. So, nakatattoo nga yan sa braso ko eh. Because this is a reminder where I started. So, we had to close noong 2020 because of the pandemic. But I have hundreds and hundreds of awards from different small-time and big-time car shows. Pero nandun sila sa bodega ko, hindi ko na pinahalukat. Pero nakita ko to sa kwarto ko dun sa isa. So, etong isa is from Hot Summer Night 7, 2014, Coolest Paint Shop. Yan. Pero isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan is yung bumper to bumper. Hindi ko na maalala kung anong bumper to bumper to. Shout out to my bumper to bumper family. Miss ko na kayo lahat. Ito yon. Nawala na nga rin yung badge. Nawala na yung may fiberglass to eh. But why is this very important to me? Because this happened in Macapagal. One of the biggest B2B to nung araw. And I won the best car shop overall champion. And I also believe that was the pro division. Thank you ha. Thank you. Namimiss ko na kayo lahat. At sana makabisita ko ulit sa mga car shows nyo pagka hindi na ako masyadong busy. But then again, nandun din tayo sa numerous car shows ko na nanalo ako ng best paint shop, best custom car shop, best car club, you know, etc. etc. But syempre, fast forward tayo with What's Your Flan. Yan. Ito yung inaabangan nyo eh. Dito tayo mag-umpisa. Ito, this was noong 2023 sa Go Negosyo. Okay? Si Chef Princess, my wife, What's Your Flan International Group of Franchise Companies, most inspiring MSME noong 2023. Yan, ito yan. Yan. This was a plaque of appreciation from a company that my wife was invited to. It's not an award, but you know, it looks nice, so it deserves a space here. Siyempre, dito tayo. Ito ang one of the best business events that happens in the Philippines yearly. And sa sobrang lagi kaming nagjo-join sa kanila, napamahal na kami sa kanila. So I want to say a huge shout out to Ms. Rebecca and Richard Mills for always making What's Your Flan part of your event sa Asia CEO Awards. So ito muna tayo. Unang-una, 2023 Asia CEO Awards. We were part of the ano ba to? Yan, Airspeed SME Company of the Year. So, nandun kami sa Circle of Excellence niyan. 2023 yan. So, noong 2024, napakalaking bagay for our company, especially to me, no? Because I was recognized as part of the Entrepreneur of the Year Circle of Excellence. Ito yon. The small but nice trophy. I think we were 10 or 12 in this Circle of Excellence. And I want to say congratulations to my batch here, no? I'm very proud of everybody. What you do really makes a difference and a big impact to our community. Keep doing what you're doing and good things will go your way. But the good thing about that was I took home the big one. Yan, I was awarded Entrepreneur of the Year 2024 in Asia CEO Awards. So shout out to Figure Solutions. Sabi ko nga, you guys are my second family. Especially to Darcy, to Chris, and of course, Miss Ruby Lee. Diba? All hearts to you guys. Thank you. Because of you guys, I have this. And I'm sure everybody deserves to be here. But noong 2024, sa akin muna to ha. Year next. And then, when we started, eto dito to, sa Next Gen, kay Chef Princess yan. So ito yan, Next Gen in the Philippine Franchise Association. She won first runner-up. Dito pa lang, ini-introduce namin kung ano ang home-based franchise system. Can you imagine how difficult it was for her, for my wife, to introduce what home-based franchise system was? So, again, this was in 2018. After this, we were invited by the IFA. Wala yung trophy. Actually, na-certificate siya. It's somewhere here. But we were invited, no, to go to Las Vegas to compete sa IFA, International Franchise Association. Out of the thousands of applicants all over the world, 13 companies lang ang kinuha sa buong mundo. And isa tayo doon. Isa ang What's Your Flan International. Kasi nakita nila kung ano yung ganda ng company natin. But when we were there in 2019, it was also very difficult. Kasi we had to reintroduce to the foreign world what home-based franchise is. And again, nanalo tayo ng first runner-up sa pinakamalaking international franchising competition sa buong mundo, which is the IFA Next Gen competition. So dyan namin nakilala sila Miss Suzanne Greco, shout out to you, the previous CEO and owner of Subway, to the owner of Anytime Fitness, si Dave Mortensen, shout out to you, bro. And others pa, sobrang dami namin nakilala that time, the ex-CEO of Hewlett Packard, and so many international and big names. So sila yung naging mentors namin hanggang sa naging friends na namin sila eventually. We also got invited by Mr. Chris Gardner. Kung napanood nyo yung In Pursuit of Happiness by Will Smith, he invited us to have dinner with him in Chicago because he wants to connect with us. He wants to know and understand our journey in the franchising world. So kahit ibang world niya, na-recognize niya tayo. And Chris, I hope we can go to Chicago. I hope you'd be able to watch this video because we are very excited to have that dinner with you. So I'll see you soon. I also have a bunch of certificates here sa amin ni Princess. Yung mga pinuntahan namin, no? Ito, sa DMW yan. Big supporters and partner namin sila. We are a big supporter of DMW. That's what I meant. And yung mga pinuntahan ko ng mga universities, ito, dito ako graduate sa Trinity University. Yan, ang dami namin. So, I'm still about to fix the office for this. But ito, yung nasa likod, that was a recognition in Trinity. 2024 din yan. Ako naman yung naging Outstanding Alumnus of the Year sa Business Administration for 2024. Yeah, so it's really a big recognition for my university. So yan. Ito pa, paborito kong eskwelahan na mahal ko, Quezon City University. Shout out to everybody. Last year, we were given an award for being the sponsor of the year. So, I'd like to retain this for 2026. So, QCU, let's continue our partnership. Ano pa ba? Yan. Ito. So, following up on the Entrepreneur of the Year, I was also invited to speak at the Asia SME Forum 2025. So I met a lot of big names here, a lot of big people here. And for those who knew or understood my story, ito yung kwento ko na from the far end of the table when we were starting our business journey. This year, 2025, we are already seated in front with the same table do sa mga tao na gusto lang namin dati makilala, gusto lang namin sila na makilala kami, makilala yung kumpanya namin. But now, because of the Asia SME Forum, because of Asia CEO Awards, yung dream namin na yun na makilala sila, that happened this year. That year, 2025. So why am I showing this? No, I don't want to brag. I don't want to say anything na tingin yung mayabang. No, guys, hindi po kami mayabang. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na nagawa namin to lahat because of our home-based platform. Imagine performing a business or operating a business at home. Napakaliit ng cost, napakaliit ng overhead, pero lahat to nagawa namin sa. Imagine that. It's just how you handle your time, how you handle your investment, and how you connect to people. You know, I always say that. Connect to people, importante yan. So ngayon, bakit home-based? Guys, napakamahal na rentals ngayon. Napakahirap kumuha ng pwesto. Andiyan pa yung mga overhead. And, you know, mag-uumpisa kayo, yung renovations ninyo, etc. Pansinin niyo ha, ang dami-dami nagko-close ng mga stores sa malls. Why? Because ang hirap talaga mag-maintain ng isang business, lalo pag malaki ang rental mo. So, an alternative or as an option, venture into home-based licensing with What's Your Plan? Or the like. Basta makatulong sa inyo. Bakit? Because alam nyo ba ang roadmap natin ngayon? Lahat yan magiging online. Lahat yan e-commerce na. Lahat yan puro delivery na lang at online ordering. So habang maaga pa, position yourself because this will help you grow your business and your dream in becoming an entrepreneur. So, yan. This is my home office. I work here. This is my desk. Medyo makalat lang siya because this is an impromptu video that I asked so that I can share to you. Siyempre, part ng office ko is yung isa sa hilig ko. Yung isa sa hilig ko, no? Mahilig ako sa music eh. So, music actually gives me comfort, no? Especially when I'm stressed, I'm pressured, or thinking of making big decisions about business. So this is also a part of my office, my music room. This is where I sit down, sometimes while working, sometimes after work, or sometimes even before working, to set up my mood. So mahilig ako yan sa mga plaka. Ito, si Clover. O, kita nyo, hilig din sa plaka yan. Mahilig ako sa plaka. I like old music. I like old and music of my generation. I'm still yet to learn and understand the new generation music. But yeah. Tapos music room ko, may mga paintings ako. To, gawa ng good friend ko yan, si Wendy. Wendy, shout out sa'yo. Siya yung creator sorry, I forgot, ilalagay ko na lang. Pero sikat na sikat yon ni Chanak, yung Chanak nung araw. Siya ang creator at designer ni Chanak nung araw. So si Boss Wendy, kapwa rider ko yan, good friend ko siya. So I have this painting. Pwede pakita mo? Yan. So I also have this. I also have that. And yan, yun nasa likod ni Clover. And then yun din. Yung nasa likod ng office ko. So lahat yan will yung mga nandito except for that one in my office. I want to help my friend sell it soon. So if you guys are interested to look at it, let me know. Andito lang yan sa office ko. So yeah, yun lang. Guys, venture into home-based business. Isipin ninyo, intindihin ninyo. Kung di nyo maintindihan, let us know. I-message nyo kami. We will help you understand how this can help your future as an entrepreneur. Maliit na puhunan, malaki ang kita. Imagine yung time freedom mo. Hindi ka nagmamadali, hindi mo kailangan dumaan sa traffic na 2-3 oras papunta, another 2 to 3 hours uuwi ka sa bahay na sana pinapahinga mo na lang, or you just spend that time for your kids and family. You know, you actually take time back. So this is your opportunity. We are creating a big thing this 2026. So we want you to be part of that. So again, my name is Chino San Diego. I'm the co-owner of What's Your Flan, co-founder of What's Your Flan, your entrepreneur of the year 2024. And whatever questions you have, let us know. We're going to be here to support you. And we're not going to pass you on to our sales team, ha? Kami mismo ang kakausap sa inyo. Basta interesado kayo, let us know. So again, bye! Sana na-enjoy nyo yung office tour ko. So what do I do first thing pagkabukas ko ng PC ko? I don't check the emails right away. Hindi ako nag-check ng mga urgent messages right away. I take a minute to get something from this stack of cards that my wife gifted to me a few years ago. Itong stack of cards na yan, I flip it, I read it, and then I transfer it here. Dito, ibig sabihin, nabasa ko na siya. So, kahapon, ito yung quote na, kayo na magbasa. Nabasa ko dyan. And then, today, ito naman ang mabubunot natin. Beloved Lord Almighty God, through the rays of the sun, through the waves of the air, through all the pervading life in space, purify and revivify me. And I pray, heal my body, heart, and soul. Amen. So today, nakabunot ako ng prayer. So yan, lagay ko na siya dyan. It's going to be a reminder of my prayer today. Yan. So after that, I take time to reflect. I take time to understand what the card meant or the prayer meant and how it relates to my life. And then I start working. So yun lang. I hope you enjoyed my office tour and how we start our day, my day, here in my home office. Bye!